Welcome to my channel. This is the bag that we are going to be making today. This is a beautiful bag that we are going to be making. So if this is the kind of content that you are interested in, stay tuned and please watch to the end. So this is what we are going to be making. So the measurement is 13 by 13. The first piece is 13 by 13. That's what I'm doing. Showing you how to do it. Then from the upside, you will measure 2.5 inch. You do the same thing to the side. That is 2.5. Then from the side, both sides, you will measure 1.5 inch. Can you see it? You measure 1.5 inch. Then you take your ruler and rule it. Take your ruler and just rule it like that, just the same way you see me do it. If this is your first time of seeing my channel, my name is Elijah Alice, and on this channel we do everything bag making. You are welcome. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for coming. You are welcome. God bless you. Thank you for always tuning in, and please try and watch this video to the end, or at least just watch half of it. In that way you'll be supporting us, you'll be supporting this channel to grow, to reach more audience. If you don't watch to the end, YouTube will not recommend this video again. They will tell that the video is not a good one. So as you click now, please try and watch to the end, or watch half of it. Thank you. So you see the way I shape it? I've shaped it. You just shape it the same way you see me shape it. So the full measurement will be in the description box. If you don't get it clearly, check the description box for the full measurement. You see the full measurement there. Yes, so I've sewed the zipper. You sew the zipper to that side, to the first one. You remove one part of it. I've removed one part of it, and you sew it to the other side. You notch the center, and then you sew it from the center, notch to notch. I just put that belt. You can just put anything to design. I put that belt for design. Then you use your piping belt to pipe it round. After piping it, the next thing is to put your zipper. Put your zipper head. You can use one. I decided to use two. So that is what I'm doing right now. Can you see it? So that is what I'm doing. So after you put the zipper, you always have excess. So you trim off your excess. Trim off the excess. Fold it into two, or just trim it like that. So you trim it, or that is what I'm doing right now. So after trimming, the down piece is 13 by 6 inches. I'm going to have another down piece, material with gel on the downside. So it's 13 by 6 inches. So we are going to fold, and then we'll cut a width 1.5. We'll cut 1.5 where we'll fix our zipper. Where we'll cut now, yes, we'll fix our zipper there, put the other side and then press stitch. We are done. We'll put our zipper head or our zipper pull. That's what I'm fixing now. So I'll fix it. Then after that, you attach it. You sew it to the main piece. You sew it like this, just like that. You sew it. So I'm done sewing it. So you press stitch it. After sewing it, you press stitch it. Can you see? Then you take in 1.5 inch from the upside. After you have done it, you shape it. It's not time to shape. Take 1.5 inch from the upside. Then you take 0.5 from the downside, and then you use it to shape. Can you see the way I'm doing it? Then you turn it, you fold it into two, and use to shape the other side. Please subscribe if this is your first time of seeing this channel. Subscribe, like, and share this video. If you have already subscribed, please like. Make sure you drop a like for us, and in the comment section, drop any video you want us to make on school bag and lunch box. Drop a comment in the comment section for us. Drop a sweet comment for us. Drop your question in the comment section. So we are done shaping it. The back piece is 13 by 18 inches. So we are going to now place the front piece and use it to shape the back. You will use the front to shape the back. That is how to do this bag. So that is what I'm doing. I'm done shaping it. So I've used the front to shape the back. So that is it. This is the back now. So we'll notch the center of the front, the up and the down. We'll notch it. Then our lining is 14 by 18 inches. So we are going to fix lining to the front. So that is it. We'll fix lining, we'll place it on the lining, then we'll press stitch that pocket where in that place. We'll press stitch it in that pocket side and that pocket side, and then we'll sew it around, which we have done. We have sewn it. So you sew it like this. Then now this is a zipper. It's 23 zipper base, 23 by 6 with lining. Look at the lining. Then the zipper is 23 inches long too. So check the description box for the full measurement in case you are not getting it. If you don't understand, watch it over and over again, and also drop your comment. This is a down gusset. It's 35 by 6. If you have watched to this extent, oh, thank you very much. I'm so grateful. God bless you for all your support, all your love. If you have watched to this extent, you have really tried. If you have not yet subscribed, my new subscribers, please subscribe. My new people that are watching and they are not subscribing, please subscribe, like and share our video. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much. So we have joined it, we'll pipe it, and then we'll press stitch it. So now we'll bring the two together and then we'll notch it. So on this channel we do everything bag making. Any bag, we base specialize on school bag and lunch box. If there's a school bag that you want us to make or lunch box, just comment in the comment section. Drop a comment for us. So if you watch to the end of this video, there are some other videos that will pop up at the end. That if you like to watch different type of school bag and lunch box, you can click on it and watch. So it's free. Subscription is also free. You can click on any of our video and then watch. We have so many videos on the school bag, different type of school bag, and then lunch box. So you notch the up and also notch the downside. This is a back piece. This handle, if you don't know how to do it, check my previous video to know how I make this handle. I have other videos on how I make school bag handle. So that's why I did not show it here. Please check it. Check out my other videos to know how I make this handle. So now I've made the handle. I've sewn it to it, so it the way you see it. I've already show in my previous video how to make this handle. So that is why I did not show it here. So that is how you do it. So after you have done that, you have stitched the other one to it, the gusset, then you place the back on it, then you sew it around. That is what I'm doing right now. So I'm done sewing it. I'm going to pipe it. So look at it. I've not yet piped it, but I'm piping it. But you can leave it like this, it's okay. You can also decide to pipe it. So we are done. Our bag is ready. Thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by. God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye. Watch the video that just popped up now. Thank you so much. God bless.